Okay guys, so I'm going to show you to get your Apple Watch to announce the time.
11:33 a.m.
This also works for some characters.
It's 11:33. Aw.
So to get this to work first, for the main watch face, you're going to use 2 fingers. Just hold down on it.
11:33 a.m.
So you should hear it, but if not, I'll explain what to do. So if you have the Mickey one, you can use 1 finger, go and
It's
press on it.
11:33.
Same for Minnie.
It's 11:33.
So if this is not working guys, 2 things to try out. So first press the side button. So you want to make sure its silent mode is turned off. So if silent mode is on, it's not going to work, but I can show you how to change that. So what you're going to do here is go into settings. Scroll down and press on clock. So you should see the option here for speak time. So just make sure it's just turned on. So if you always want to speak, including in silent mode, just press always speak. So now if you press it.
It's 11:35.
So yeah, now if I turn on silent mode. So for the Minnie and Mickey, you have to use 2 fingers.
It's 11:35.
It's 11:35.
11:35 a.m.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.